Say bye.
Gotcha. Daddy, One Junior, you hear the story about the man from Oz? Man from Oz, man. Oh, Job, Daddy, I true say him was a perfect man. Yes, man. Job fear God and hate evil. And I true say he did have whole heap of it, Daddy. 7 son, 7 boy and 3 girl, 10. Boy, Daddy, then you could have managed so much picnic. Then, no, Junior. Me here say he did rich. And guess what? He have whole heap of sheep. 7,000 and whole heap of camel. 3,500 oxen. Daddy, what is a oxen? That are sitting like cow. Oh. He also have 500 she asses. He have 500 idiot, Daddy. No, Junior. That are sitting like jackass. Then what the difference? Donkey. Oh, I'm here. So then you used to love it. 7 brother, 7 different feasts, 7 different days. Yeah. And then you used to invite their sister over for dinner too, you know. Then they live really loving. And then after that, them father would have sacrificed for them, pray for them, just in case they encourage that in their heart. Job love for him, baby, them do that. That was Job. Him always a pray for them. Yes, man. Just in case. Then, Daddy, me no here's the sons of God them come together to all a chat, and the one Satan him gone up there. Ah boy, I tell you. And then ask him where you are come from. And he say, from walking up and down all over the earth, up and down to and fro, seeking whom he may devour. Yes, Daddy. Then so comes now, Job name come up in a conversation, Daddy. And them talk about how Job was perfect and love God and hate evil. Satan say, because God trim up the edges, them nice round Job and the whole in house. Why he can't get to him? And because he bless him, he work on his hand. But if he take away all of Job blessing and them things, Job would have cursed him to him face. It so happened that Satan thinks that Job only a serve God because of things. He know that he wants Satan say. So God do a thing like this. Since that you feel everything with Job have, you have power to touch them. Yeah, man. But you see, Job, don't lay a hand on him. He left the scene and got straight to Job yard. And I bet so all hell broke loose. I tell you, loose. Then I don't know what go down. Job there in yard. I get ready for bust two prayer for him pitney them. When all of a sudden... Job! You don't know what go on. Just don't say a while ago, you know. I feed the ox them and the donkey them, you know. And the CB and them run on the farm. What? And start kill people, you know. Yeah, tell me, say. And then take away the whole of the animal. Job! All of them gone. Job! And me one get to go tell you the news. Job me they don't say, you know. And me say one piece of fire just drop out of the sky, you know, Job. From heaven. And burn up all of the sheep, them, you know. Not a thing no left for curry, you know, Job. Me one left for curry, tell you. Job, boy. Me say, boy, me down there, so, you know. And the Chaldeans, them 3 big group of them just 3 group of them run on from the land, you know. Just run on from the farm. Kill people, you know, Job, with their sword. And only me one kill off all the farmer. They didn't thief off the whole of the camel. Job, boy! Job! You're picking them. Did I eat food? Hell, me. Up so. Which one of them house? Up of them bigger brother one, he hold this one. And I said, Job be out the door, pick up some fire stick, big up beer and leaven bread out the door. Job, one piece of breeze start blow. Breeze start blow. And what happened? And the breeze blow so, and it blow so, mash down the house. Oh, and you're picking them in the Lord. Whole of you picking them dead off. And only me one left. No, tell her the news. Boy, Job, where you are going to do, Job? Where you are going to do? Daddy, that is so sad. Him lose all him pitney them. After that, daddy, here's the Job get up and tear up in clothes and shave off his head all bad and drop on the ground and worship. Job worship daddy. God. I hope Job find time for worship in a deadly situation. Yeah, man, he never did a go make Satan win, you know. So he did what God knew he would have done. Him really strong, daddy, a real strong Christian. He never sinned, nor did he charge God foolishly. Pass it by.